Strategies to get guys to look at your face instead of your chest range from subtle to direct confrontation. You can start by making a clear noise, like clearing your throat or saying, ahem, to interrupt the stare and demand eye contact. Or you can look at him expressionlessly and seriously ask him to stop. If you are in a group, you may choose to embarrass him by calling him out with a funny, pinpointed comment, or you can use nonverbal cues like crossing your arms or otherwise signaling your discomfort. For workplace or school settings, you have the option to escalate the issue by sending an email warning him to stop, telling his supervisor or a school authority, or even informing his wife or girlfriend. Throughout all interactions, maintaining good posture and consistently demanding direct eye contact projects confidence and reinforces that you expect respect. However, if all attempts to stop the behavior fail, you should prioritize your own comfort by avoiding the offender.